With the launch of the GP2000, Mocan and myself and everybody on our team are very excited about this new grinder pump.
Yes, sir. We've got one of these in the system. I spent 2 years looking at different systems. I guess I looked at 5 different pump manufacturers altogether. I like this one the best, and I think the improvements that have been made in it with this upgrade will be very beneficial, I think, from a service standpoint and also from a long-term use standpoint.
I saw the ad that was put in the WEF magazine, which is the first time I'd seen Environment One do anything like that prior to these shows. But then I was even more impressed when I came to the booth and saw what's happening. I'll bet every time that I've been here, and I've been here 5 times now, there have been at least 10 to 20 people around this booth talking to people about this new product that Environment One's got.
I think it's going to make it much easier to maintain. It's more operator friendly. I think the materials are high-tech, and I think that that coupled with the design of the exterior of the pump station is going to give us a lot more flexibility in installation, and it's a new generation. It's great.
The changes they've made are very exciting.
That I see a lot better installation for our customer, especially on the access lid. It's going to be flush now, where before we had a 4 or 5 inch rise above grade. That's a big point.
I think the trend in the industry is that we're going to see more and more pressure sewer systems go in, certainly in Michigan. We have many lakes, and a lot of the easy sewer projects have already been completed, so we're no longer able to use gravity sewers cost effectively.
For instance, in New Mexico, we've got shallow groundwater tables in the valley. People on septic tanks are polluting the groundwater. This has given us the opportunity to come in and correct all the pollution going on and conserve a very precious resource.
They're even better than the other ones, and the older systems were the best system on the market, and the newer system is going to even be better for the homeowner and the consulting engineer that specifies it.
Basically what the new Environment One 2000 series means to Environment One, the industry, is that it is positioning us as far as our plant, our product, and our people to take us to the next plateau in the grinder pump industry.
With this new and improved pump station or grinder pump system, I can see that just growing even more throughout the United States. More engineers feeling more comfortable with specifying that pieces of equipment because it's even more reliable than what we had in the past, and that was very reliable.
It's very effective. I think it works for our community.
I'm impressed. That's it. Very nice.
They've been around for 25 years, and they've now just put themselves right in front of everybody, and they're going to make it work, and they're going to make it show that electric sewers really do work.
We see a significant change in the needs, wants, and desires of the customers, and this product fulfills that need.
It appears that you have a niche in the market that so far no one else has been able to touch.
2000 series Environment 1 grinder pump is basically a pump that's unstoppable.
Now there's a new way to defy gravity. Environment One's new GP2000. The GP2000 is the next generation in gravity-independent, low-pressure sewer system technology. Technology that has been proven in over 65,000 installations since 1969. Over the years, we've proven that an Environment One low-pressure sewer system can be specified for virtually all site conditions, flat, wet, rocky, or hilly. An Environment One system can cut upfront costs by as much as 70%, primarily because it only requires shallow trenches and small diameter piping. Consider that a gravity sewer main could be as big as 24 inches or bigger. The piping for an Environment One system main is typically no larger than 4 inches. And the piping only requires shallow trenches just under the frost line, following the contour of the land, so there's less disruption. This means lower labor and materials costs. Low-pressure sewer systems can also take advantage of improved trenchless installation technology, which means even less surface disruption. Rights-of-way, paving, utilities, and established landscaping are no longer cost-prohibitive obstructions. The result? Lower restoration costs and lower installation costs. And now Environment One's new GP2000 takes grinder pump technology a giant step forward. It is a state-of-the-art design that provides longer life, greater ease of serviceability, trouble-free installations, and lower life cycle costs. Consider the GP2000's new features and benefits. Field-proven thermoplastic materials withstand even the toughest handling during shipping and installation. Thermal fusion welding techniques assure watertight construction. Double wall construction increases structural integrity and ensures an infiltration-free station. The specially designed base ensures self-scouring of wetwell for trouble-free operation. The industry-exclusive wetwell drywell configuration makes service safe and easy. The access way is easily field adjustable with simple hand tools to customize to actual field grades. No field penetrations are required, which can result in leaking. A low-profile lockable cover provides easy access while blending into the surroundings. The core design facilitates quick and simple replacement in the field. Progressing cavity pump produces nearly constant flow over a wide range of conditions, even negative heads. Pressure switches are superior to troublesome float switch controls. They also eliminate the costly necessity of frequent preventive maintenance that float switches require. The solid-state relay gives reliable million-cycle operation. Electrical quick disconnect improves serviceability. Single direct bury cable reduces installation cost. Stainless steel discharge piping provides reliable corrosion-free service. The GP2000 from Environment One, a new standard for the industry, a new way to defy gravity.